Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is to explain exactly the two options they have. I've had a lot of people asking me questions about the option of reset this PC from the settings page, and this of course has to do with keeping or not keeping the different files. Is it the same as a clean install? So here is the two options that are available. Here are the options. So if you go into settings, you go into update and security, and then you go into recovery. You have an option that says reset this PC, and you have a get started button. Here it will be given two options. One is to keep your files or remove everything. Now it says keep my files, but here's what it keeps actually. If you choose the option to keep your files, what it will do is remove most of the apps and the programs. It will keep your personal files and most of what you have in the different folders, like image, pictures, documents, music, videos, downloads, stuff like that will all be kept. But it removes the apps and the settings. So that means that the programs you pre-installed are, for the most part, going to be gone. And that you've got to understand. None of these two options will keep your programs. And honestly, if your PC isn't going well, if your PC has any glitch that wants you to reinstall Windows, you'd better not keep your programs, because oftentimes keeping your programs, your software, is also what's keeping your PC from working well. I've often said it in the past, the majority of Windows problems are not Windows related. They are the software and the drivers you have. So if you keep those, you're keeping your problems. So by removing apps and settings, it actually will probably make your PC run better. And it keeps your personal files. So if you don't have a backup, and you really should have a backup, you can keep your personal files by using the first option, keep my files. But remember, software is gone, your latest drivers are gone. Anything that is a software, a driver, or anything that is not a personal file will be removed from the computer. It essentially does a clean install of Windows, pretty much, but keeps the files, puts them in a separate folder, and will re-import them back after. The other option of remove everything is the option where even the files that you have on your hard drive will be gone. So this means nothing will be left. It'll be like doing a clean install. The question that I get a lot from people is this equivalent really to a clean install of Windows 10? Pretty much. If you choose this option from here, you are going to be pretty much at a clean install of Windows starting from scratch. So because it removes all the software and drivers and everything, you are essentially doing a clean install, but through Windows using this option. So that is something to think about when you actually try it. And one will keep your files, the other one won't. It depends the option you will choose. But remember, software, drivers, all of that will be gone. Settings, any special settings you have, personalization of all sorts in Windows, all of that is reset to the default Windows settings. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.